Hi, Keith Doherty here, and welcome to YouTube Ads 2019-20 Success Kit Review. We're going to go through this product. We're going to show you how you can use it, how it can be effective, and we're also going to reveal to you the ultimate bonus package. So here's from the actual sales page. Still struggling to target the right customers at the right time and boost sales and conversions? Now is your ultimate chance. Slap your name on this brand new, up-to-date, top-quality YouTube Ads training for big profits week after week easily. Limited copies, grab full private label rights before your competitors do. So what this product is it's a training on how to use YouTube ads, but it's private label rights. So what that means, if you're not familiar with that, is that you can put your name on this and this is your product. This becomes your actual product. So here's how you can start selling your own product today. You basically buy this YouTube ads PLR course. You set it up. They have everything ready for you. Basically download it. It has a sales page. Now I do recommend you do a few things, not just sell it as is. I actually recommend you update a few things, and one of our bonus items is going to show you exactly how to do that. It is a high quality product. You have professional sales material, so you basically have a sales page. You have everything ready to go, and you get to keep all the profits. So you just basically put it out there into the info product selling world, which, as you can see, is an $80 billion market. So you can sell it for $9 to $97. You can use it to create a private membership. You can use it to build your own list by offering as a gift. You can use it as a bonus to, if you're doing a promotion, you can train your own team with it. If you're a business and you need this type of training, you can use it as content for a seminar, webinar, or training. You can prospect for clients. You can sell it to businesses, local businesses, for $97 or more. You can grow your own business online. You can train your clients, and you can use it to offer professional advertising service to local clients. So let me show you exactly in our bonus package how you can use this more effectively. So bonus number one is the PLR profit system. And inside this private training, you're going to discover how to use PLR effectively to generate profits. It's included is the QPM system, which is 7 steps to success. And you're also going to discover the easy to follow 3-step PLR cash flow formula. So inside of this, there's actually a joint product I put together with Charles Kirkland a few years back, and it's still on par today. You can do everything inside. It's a very effective way to use PLR in the most effective manner. You definitely shouldn't just buy it and put it out there. You should definitely do these things that we're going to teach you inside of this. So when you invest in the YouTube Ads 2019-20, you will get free access to bonus number one, PLR profit system. Bonus number two is VSL Masters. So if you're going to sell this, they do give you a video sales letter, but once again, I want you to stand out. I want you to have success. So if you can't make a video that sells, what good is it to rank for it? This is my in-house template that we use to create profit-pulling videos that convert people into buyers. It's a 12-step template. You can create your own video sales letter with it. You're getting it absolutely free when you buy YouTube Ads 2019-20. Bonus number three is the Tube Multiplier. This is how to leverage YouTube to get more views, traffic, and turn them into potential buyers and generate more profits for your business. So you get this bonus as well when you buy YouTube Ads 2019-20. Bonus numbers actually should say 4, not 3. This is the fourth bonus. This is Keyword Sniper. This is one of my keyword research tools. This is a very powerful tool. You're going to discover with this tool how to leverage Amazon, Google, YouTube, eBay, and Etsy for the ultimate keyword traffic system. So what this tool does is it gives you all the keywords that people are looking for on Amazon, on Google, on YouTube, on eBay, and Etsy, and you can collaborate these all into one, and you have the ultimate keyword research tool that does all 5 things. Now you can go buy Keyword Sniper right now. It is available to the general public, but it does sell for $97. So if you go to keywordsniper.co, you'll be able to buy it, but you get it absolutely free today when you buy the YouTube Ads 2019-20 PLR system. And this is actually bonus number 5 because my numbers are apparently wrong. Video Ads Blueprint. With this unique and easy to understand training, we're going to supply you with the most accurate information to quickly and cheaply create video advertising campaigns. So this goes hand in hand with the YouTube training that you're getting with the YouTube Ads system. You can also use this to expand your business. So let's do a quick recap. So bonus number 1 is the PLR profit system. Bonus 2 is the VSL Master. Bonus 3 is the tube multiplier. Bonus 4 is the keyword sniper. And bonus 5 is the video ads blueprint. So these all have various different values. You can see well over $270 of real world value. And you get all 5 of these absolutely free today when you invest in the YouTube Ads 2019-20 system. So all you have to do is take action now. If you click the link below this video, it should be below this video, head over to the sales page, check out the YouTube Ads system. You'll be able to see how efficient it is, how effective it is, all the different things you're getting from the sales pages to the graphics to the training. It's all built into the system. And then all you have to do is go inside of Warrior Plus in your purchases section, and you'll be able to click on the YouTube Ads 2019-20 Made Easy. And then click your bonus button, and you'll have instant access to all 5 bonuses that I talked about here today. So it's really that easy for you to get all these great bonus items and get this awesome product that you can call your own. So this isn't just a training course that you can use, but you can also put your own name on it and create your own product instantly. And with our bonuses, we're going to show you how you can effectively do that to generate the most possible profit. So click the link below, head over to the sales page, and go ahead and get your hands on the YouTube Ads 2019-20 Made Easy PLR system. We'll see you on the inside. Have a great day. We'll talk to you soon, and God bless.